Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F62 headphone jack or earphone not working issue. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing headphone jack or headphones not working issue in Galaxy F12, so first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.